Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take fish oil capsules. Fish oil is a popular supplement rich in omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA. These powerful nutrients are known to support your heart, brain, and help manage inflammation throughout your body. To get the most out of your supplement, it is crucial to take it with a meal that includes some fat. This significantly improves absorption. Remember, taking it consistently every day is key to experiencing its full benefits. When it comes to dosage, many health organizations suggest a minimum of 250 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA each day for healthy adults. Most standard capsules contain about 300 milligrams of these beneficial omega-3s. While there is no single best time, taking your capsule with a substantial meal, especially one with healthy fats, optimizes absorption. If you take a higher dose, consider splitting it into 2 smaller servings, perhaps one with breakfast and one with dinner, to minimize any potential stomach upset. Proper storage is vital to maintain the quality of your fish oil. Always keep your capsules in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat to prevent oxidation. When selecting a supplement, prioritize quality. Look for brands that test for purity, ensuring low levels of contaminants like mercury. The triglyceride form is often preferred for better absorption. Also, check for an expiration date and ingredients like vitamin E, which act as antioxidants to keep the oil fresh. While generally safe, some people experience mild side effects like a fishy aftertaste, bad breath, or minor digestive issues. To help avoid these, always take your capsules with food. Some individuals find that freezing their capsules before consumption also helps. It is always wise to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, particularly if you are on other medications. Avoid exceeding 3 grams daily without medical guidance, as higher doses might increase the risk of bleeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.